In this video, I'm going to show you this really awesome and really powerful tool built right into Adobe Lightroom, which enables you to edit and enhance the sky in your photos. So let's get right into the video. So once you're inside of Adobe Lightroom and you have a raw CR2 file imported, we are ready to begin. And to begin, we're just going to go over to the Develop tab. Now in the Develop tab on the right side of Lightroom, you'll see all of these different settings. And you can go ahead and you can adjust all of these and edit the bottom half of your photo. Completely ignore the sky for now, we're going to come back to this part of the image later on. I'm happy with the look of this photo for now, so when you're happy with your photo, we're just going to go up to the rectangle box just above the basic settings. Click on the rectangle, and then you want to click on the top half of your photo. Now drag that down to around halfway down the image, and as you can see, we've got these three lines. And this basically means we can adjust only the top half of the photo here. So you can really see this if I pull the temperature and the exposure both to the left. So pulling the exposure down to -2.2 and pulling the temperature down to around -30, -20, you can really see the exposure being adjusted in the sky. And of course you can reduce the size of this grid here. All you need to do is just pull this bottom line either up or down. But I'm going to keep it roughly halfway down the image because I want the entire sky to be affected here. So all you need to do from here is go through all of these different settings on the right hand side of Lightroom and really adjust the sky to make it look as detailed and as perfect as you like. Now once I'm happy with those basic settings, I'm just going to go down to the HSL color and black and white tab. Now I'm going to select HSL, we'll go down to Aqua, and we'll just add a little bit of saturation in the aqua and the blue. Now if we go over to the color tab and we select the blue box, you can see we can adjust only the blue in the top half of the photo. So if we pull the hue from left to right, we can go more green or purple, we can increase or decrease the saturation, and we can increase or decrease the luminance. So I'm just going to remove some of the luminance just so those blues really start to pop. I'm just going to adjust the hue and the saturation a little bit. And once you're happy with the look of that, we can just press done. And by pressing done, it means we're done with the editing of the sky only. So everything we do now will adjust the entire image. You can see this if I adjust the exposure. So once you're happy with this, just make any final adjustments. I'm just going to add a little bit of crop to this. We'll press done. And there you go. If we look at the before and the after, by using this sky enhancement tool, we can really see how much detail we've pulled from the sky. So there you go. That's how you edit the sky in your photos right inside of Adobe Lightroom. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.